we've already, Terry and I, actually I,
I helped a bit.
with Terry's
Typing
encouragement,
skills.
we've already completed this side of the uprights for the ATX combo rack. It is a little bit tedious, so I think when transporting this assembly of this rack, just don't have this disassembled, right? Just keep it there. And
Maybe just take out this.
yeah, you're just gonna have to take out this beam to disassemble and nothing else. Use it, get everything all together here. Don't take it out from each other. So that will make your assembly and disassembly much easier transporting from one competition platform to the next. Next thing that Terry and I will have to do is for her to attach this upright on the right side. Okay.
Do I have to put this first?
Yes.
Can
Can I?
you carry it?
I think what? Okay. So what size is that again?
Ito, I have to.
This is the 17 or the 16. 17. Here. Here.
Does it matter which way?
I don't think so.
Washer.
No need for the washer.
Oh, okay.
So it is going to be outside in there.
Just outside.
Other side.
Oh?
Yeah, other side.
Sure.
Yes.
Are you sure, Ken?
Dami sinasayang oras.
Ito na nga! Not built for this.
No time.
Righty tighty.
Tidy lefty.
Maximum efficiency. This is a time lapse.